Next up, we have Vocalytics. Vocalytics, are you up?
Does each startup get their own like theme music? Is that like the
yeah,
story?
I don't know.
You guys got to spice it up, like make it different for each of them.
Can you do any Reservoir Dogs or something? Okay, let's go.
All right. So hello everybody, I'm Ben from Vocalytics. And at Vocalytics, we're all about voice. And the reason we love this space is because voice is something so important in our life, right? We all use it every day. And what we want to do at Vocalytics is help our users use their voice better. So what does this mean? You know probably applications such as Runkeeper or Nike Plus, right? You can use them to train for a marathon, and then you know how you perform. So at Vocalytics, we're doing the same for your voice. So instead of looking at miles and speed, we'll be looking at parameters such as pace, intonation, loudness, and then we're going to help you, be prepared for your next meeting, your next call, or your next speech, like here. And I'm using the app as we talk. So, yeah, we need to try it, right? There's one big difference with running, though. Running is a fantastic hobby, and I do it. But voice is one of the most powerful tools you have in both your private life and your professional life. So what does it mean, and where are we at the moment? So we just started the process of developing it, and we already implemented the first application that is Pace Recorder. And what Pace Recorder does, as you can imagine, is all about your pace. So I'm going to show you an example here of how the application works. I have just one bad news to drop before we start. The application is only available on Android 2.3 and more. So if you have an iPhone, if you have an Android that is not at that version, we love you very much, and we'll have something for you very soon. But you have to wait. So let's have a look how it looks. Here's Kevin Rose pitching.
You can say, I love it. I think it's great. I'm so about it, or I don't like it at all. And then you can also add it to your to-do list. And the to-do list is pretty cool because if you find something that your friends are enjoying across town and you want to check it out later, you add it as a to-do, and then we'll geofence that, and you walk by it later, and your phone will buzz, and you pull it out.
All right, so what happened here? So when Mr. Rose was speaking at a balanced pace, the application was in the green. And then, getting a bit excited, it went in the yellow and then in the orange. So what we're doing here is give you a tool to pace your voice at a professional style that is calm and confident. And great speakers would then go to be a bit more excited and then a bit more relaxed. But the thing is, you need to understand, and this gives you a standard to do so. And then we're going to implement other features, intonation, hesitation detection, and so you understand even more. And I truly believe that this is going to change fundamentally the way we think about voice and how we train. So we're using it, as you can see I'm using it here, but we also use it, and for instance, Mike was at Cologne at the European Pirate Summit, and one of the startup founders then, GetGhost it was, did a fantastic pitch, came to me at the end and said that it used our app to train. And this was my payday, my best payday in my life, because this is exactly what we want to do. We want to empower you, to get a job, get a promotion, get a girlfriend, a boyfriend, if needed. Anything you need your voice for, that's what we're for. You do all the hard work, but we help you to get there. So, quick word about the team and the reason we're going to succeed. We're going to succeed because we have the right ecosystem. So I met my co-founder, Connor, who is here today, while working at Google. And we learned a lot at Google. It's a fantastic company. But one of the things we learned is also that as a startup, you need to be part of something bigger, and research is very important. So we're extremely proud to be collaborating already with the Center for Next Generation Localization, some of you might know, or UCD, to work on very specific part of our application. And so, last thing, we're a voice company. So if you see me, if you see somebody with a t-shirt like that, come and talk to us. We're at the stage of the process of the development where we want feedback. We want to understand what you want of such an application and we can run free voice analysis for you if needed, right? We also set up a little website, pitch.vocalytics.com. It's an experiment around 60-second pitches, and that's for people who don't have a phone to try the application, where you'll show the parameter we use, we can discuss how, what we say about it, and you'll understand much better what voice analysis is all about. Thank you very much.